Hello, people on YouTube. Welcome back to Erica Goth YouTube channel. Okay, people, make sure to press subscribe Erica Goth channel every single day. Erica Goth channel wants millions, trillions of 1,000 subscribers. Make sure just do it every single day, and don't forget to press the notification, the bell button. You don't miss what video I post every single day. Make sure just do it, okay? And make sure to press like you like this video, and make sure to just leave a comment below on what do you think in this video, okay? Make sure to please understand everything I said in the video, and please get it in your mind, because this is more important for Erica Goth. It gets 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, okay. Because I want you to do it, okay? To try your best, just do it, okay? Please do not let me down, okay? Okay, people. Okay, people. Today's video. Okay. And guess what? What is today's video? Okay, this is today's video, and guess what, people? And people, I have a name in the title in the video, okay? I must tell you a title in the video. Am I going to about to say it right now, okay? Okay, am I going to say a title in the video? It is we on the day 5. Yeah, day 5. We in 11th month of the year is November. We in 2020 22. Yeah, and guess what days a week we on? Okay. Are we on the days of week we on Saturday? And that is why. I'm happy. Bonfire night. Mother Erica Goth on Bonfire night. And this is the title in the video. Okay, people. And guess what is today? Okay, I already tell you what the title in the video. Right now I gotta tell you what is today. What day we celebrate. Okay. And guess what, people? Okay, people, because people on England, United Kingdom, and everywhere in the world, celebrate Bonfire night, Goth night with fireworks. We do it every year, and that means this is a date of Wednesday. No, not Wednesday. And that means, and today's date is true. Today's date is Saturday, 5th of November 2022. And that means people on England, United Kingdom, and the whole world get to celebrate fireworks. Fireworks are part of Goth night with Bonfire night, and that means people celebrate every year. Okay. Okay. Right now, I going to about to say it now because guess what can I said because I'm going to set I know a poem about bonfire night, Goth night, a fireworks night. I do think this is a poem, okay? Because I going to about to set right now, okay? Ready, steady, go, okay? November, a fish of November, gunpowder and Jesus and frogs. A guy thought want to blow up houses in Empire with his gunpowder and Jesus and frogs. November, of a fish of November, gunpowder, treasures and frogs. One day there was a man called Guy Fawkes, and Guy Fawkes had a friend. A Guy Fawkes wanted to blow up houses in Empire. One day Guy Fawkes had a dynamite and tried to blow everything, and that means people said to Guy Fawkes, November, a fish of November, gunpowder and treasures and frogs. This is a poem of the bonfire night and Guy Fawkes night and fireworks night, and people put fireworks in the garden. People do it every year, and that means we celebrate because it's Guy Fawkes night. Okay. Right now, I'm going about to say to Erica, starting from now. Okay? Let me think. Ooh, I know. Happy Bonfire Night, Mother Erica Goth. Happy Bonfire Night, Mother Erica Goth. On Bonfire Night. Happy Bonfire Night, Mother Erica Goth on Bonfire Night. Happy Bonfire Night, Erica. Erica, I want you to enjoy and rest your bonfire night. We do it every year. Happy Bonfire Night, Mother Erica Goth. Thank you, Sophia Goth. Happy Bonfire Night, Mother Erica Goth. Okay. People, what do you think about me? Said Happy Bonfire Night, Mother Erica Goth. We do it every single year. Okay? And right now, I'm going to try my best and try my hardest to say things properly. Because I find it difficult to say things properly. I think it's part of me. I gotta try my hardest. I try my best to say things properly, okay? Okay, people. Okay, guess what, people? Okay. People, thank you to watching a nice video about I talking about the bonfire night. Okay, and guess what, people? Okay, people, I want to tell you something. Okay, people. Okay, I want to tell you something. Okay. 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 I'm ready to say. I'm born ready. Okay. Okay. People, thank you to watching a nice, lovely video about I talking about bonfire night and Guy Fawkes night and fireworks night. We do it every year. I just said happy bonfire night, Mother Erica Goth. I want Erica Goth to enjoy a rest of your bonfire night. and guess what, people? Because I want to enjoy also the rest of my bonfire night. And people, I want you to enjoy the rest of your bonfire fireworks night, okay? Okay, people. Okay? People, I want you, I want you to make sure to understand everything I said in the video, and make sure just do it. And don't you forget to subscribe Erica Goth channel, and make sure you do it, okay? Okay. Okay, thank you for watching my nice video. Okay? Okay. Goodbye, people. Shalom. Farewell. Goodbye, people. Goodbye, people on YouTube. Shalom, people on YouTube. Farewell, people on YouTube. Goodbye, people on YouTube. Shalom. Farewell. Goodbye. Bye, people on YouTube. I'm going to make a better video next time to watch it every single video on Erica Goth channel. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. Okay, people. Just one more thing I'm gonna ask you. Okay, people. I want you to watch Erica. Okay, guess what, people? Guess what I want you to do? Okay, people, make sure just watch every single video of Erica Goth channel, and make sure just give 1,000 views for every single video in Erica Goth channel. Don't forget to do it, and please understand what I said, okay? And please get it in your mind, okay? Okay, people. This is Mother Erica Goth sitting on the chair in the station, okay? Okay, people. Thank you for watching my video. Don't you forget to do it, and please understand what I said. Make sure to do it, okay? Goodbye. Thank you for watching. Bye.